This video is going to be about building a gantry crane that I need for start doing some milling. And what I want to do is I want to do some logs. I watched some videos on YouTube and I got some ideas. I don't want to buy wood. I'm not in a situation that I can be buying wood. So what I want to do is I'm going to do it with woods that I got here in the homestead. So this is what I got here, and to work with. You know, I have a argon electric saw, and here's the logs. I got an axe, and some of the small tools. I don't have much. And true is it that the reason why I don't have a gas chainsaw yet is, of course, because I can't afford it right now. But in a few days, maybe I'll be able to have one, even if it's just one Chinese or something like that. But anyway, see, I got a lot of wood here. Some of those trees, all those trees are gonna go down right there in the far because they need to be clear in there. So I'm gonna be milling a lot of that wood because I want to build myself a place to work. And here's my other tool, which is a Hunan 4.0 generator. Runs on gas, of course. That's how I run my chainsaw. And the reason why I have to do it this way is because I live right there. I'm in a homestead, and I live in a camper, and it's a small size. Me and my wife live in this thing, and we have a little garden right here that we use for ourselves, and my wife does the garden, and she got some nice videos on that too. But anyway, so that's the tractor right there, pickup truck, and an old faithful, best truck ever. If you can get yourself hands in an S10 1995, best thing in the world. Anyway, so I'm going to accommodate this thing on a tripod, and I'm going to start working a little bit and cleaning up this log right here. All these nuts it's got. I'm going to do the foots with this. It looks like pretty strong. This is cedar wood, and so I'm gonna do the foots with it. Need to be around 8 foot, 7 foot. They took 8 foot tall. I just needed to go clear under for the pickup truck. Everything I do is pretty much honest and regular work what I got. So I'm not gonna be wasting too much time on editing. I might speed up some stuff because YouTube requirements on the amount, the time and the videos. But anyway, so here is, I'm gonna clear this thing up. I'm gonna get all those nuts out with the saw, and you guys are gonna be able to see that when I'm doing that. And then I need to mark the foot right there that I gotta put in my foot, and I've been thinking about doing some of that with that right there. Do the foot. And then so anyway, let's go and see what we go with. really get really up. It's really to the ground. And if you have any doubts about your sauce, right there, the electric sauce, and the chain is sharp properly, it'll work very good. Let's move the camera over here. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut this in half right here. And I'm going to use this as the foot.